Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Make sure your phone supports the 5 GHz band and that Wi-Fi plus location are on. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Once done, the phone will scan available bands. Make sure you don't have airplane mode enabled. If your router is nearby, you'll see more SSIDs, some labeled with 5G, 5 GHz, or a frequency tag. If you don't see options, press the refresh icon or toggle Wi-Fi off and on to force a new scan. You'll now identify the 5 GHz network by name and frequency. In Wi-Fi listings, look for SSIDs that include 5G, 5 GHz, or a frequency such as 2 GHz. Those are the ones you want. If the router uses the same SSID on both bands, check Advanced Wi-Fi details to see the band or frequency for each connection. If it's ambiguous, temporarily rename one SSID in the router admin or disable the 4 GHz band. So once you locate the 5 GHz SSID, tap it, enter the password, and connect. After connecting, open the network's advanced or details view to confirm the frequency shows in the 5 GHz range. If speeds aren't improved, move closer to the router. 5 GHz has less range, or reboot the router and phone. If you still can't connect, update your phone system or router firmware. Make sure the router's 5 GHz radio is enabled and not using an unsupported channel before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.